If a visitor can't read your website text, tap your buttons, or complete your contact form, how can they ever become a customer? Website accessibility isn't just a nice to have for big organisations. It's about removing everyday barriers so more people can use your website with less effort and less frustration. In practical terms, accessible design means more inquiries, fewer drop-offs, and a better experience for everyone. That includes mobile users, people browsing in bright sunlight, or even someone dealing with a temporary injury. You may have heard of WCAG, the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. These are best practice standards designed to make websites easier to use for people with disabilities, but they improve usability across the board. WCAG is built around 4 key principles. Your website should be easy to perceive, easy to operate, easy to understand, and built to work reliably across devices and technologies. You don't need to memorise the terminology. It's simply a framework for better design decisions. So what makes the biggest difference? Start with readability. Strong contrast between text and background, clear font sizes, especially on mobile, and don't rely on colour alone to communicate important information. If a form field is incorrect, explain why in plain language. Next, design properly for mobile. Responsive design isn't just about shrinking things to fit. It's about making sure your site still works. Buttons should be easy to tap, text should be readable without zooming, layouts should adjust logically. Clear structure matters too. Use headings, short paragraphs, and consistent styling so visitors can quickly scan and find what they need. This also helps people using screen readers navigate the layout of a page and easily understand website content. And finally, make sure your website works without a mouse. Menus and forms should function using a keyboard or assistive technology. Accessibility isn't just about compliance, it's about good design, and good design is good for business.